How to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Gallery and then scroll down. You'll find Recently Deleted. Click on it. You may find your photos and videos in here. But if you delete it from the gallery, simply open Photos. In Photos, go to Photos and then you may find it backed up in here. If your backup is not turned on, go to Collection at the bottom. Then click on Trash at the top and you may find the deleted gallery photos in Trash of Google Photos as well. And this is how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.